Heat shielding is a major part of keeping your car running efficient and safe. Without heat shields, you could be burning up your spark plug boots, roasting your wires, boiling your fluids. On this video, we're going to take this car, show you some of the basics and how to fix them. So right here, we got a 1963 Mercury Comet two-door sedan. We replaced the motor with a 66 Mustang inline six. Older cars are more prone to some heat issues because from the factory, they probably didn't come with any heat shielding. So one of the common things that you're gonna see on these cars is the starter line is right near the exhaust. The exhaust has completely fried the coating on this. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off and run some sleeving over it. So one of the things that you're gonna see is this starter line is completely roached from the heat. So we're gonna use some hot rod sleeve and some HP shrinks to cover this section up and protect it from the heat. Look at that.
Oh, geez.
My skin is so...
Jeez.
Oh, yeah.
Wipe out.
All right, so check it out. Here's the exhaust. This is where the cable was that was completely getting crusty. We used the hot rod sleeve here. It's a radiant barrier that's gonna stop heat getting into that wire. All right, so another problem that these things have, any fuel car really that has fuel lines going near something hot, the fuel line goes right over the valve. Now, in the old days, it really didn't matter. The boiling point of fuel was much higher. But right now, with all the ethanol in there, the heat that comes off of this valve cover onto this could potentially cause vapor lock. Vapor lock happens when your fuel boils and becomes vapor. The motor stops and more than likely you're stuck on the side of the road and then you're embarrassed because you have to push your car. So check this out. I don't want to have to take the fuel line off, okay? We could use hot rod sleeve like we did before, but we have a product, hook and loop closure. We're gonna set it right on here, close the hook and loop and call it a day. It's just gonna go right on this fuel line right here. It's going to protect it from the valve cover and any other heat that's going to come over here. All right, so another thing that could happen, especially on V8 cars, not necessarily so much on a V6, but we're going to do it just to be safe, is to cover your boots for your spark plugs with a spark plug boot. So this is a really simple process. Wire. Just slide that in like this. The wire goes all the way down. It's stopped by a metal ring. And then we're gonna just take this back on here, stick it right back on there. And that's gonna protect heat on the spark plug boot and wire. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot rod sleeve right here on the ground as well. It goes right next to the exhaust manifold.
Silencio!
You guys are still recording that?
All right, so we're done with the engine compartment, but let me show you one more thing.
If you like this video, crush the like button.
Hit subscribe and click notifications so you see every time we release a new video. Leave us a comment below, don't be shy. Now let's get back to it. Another problem that could go wrong with your car is heat right next to your fuel tank. It's obvious why you don't want heat around gasoline. So here you can see the muffler is so close to the fuel tank, it's like literally a half an inch. I grabbed a 1/4 inch piece of heat shield armor, cut it to size, put it on there with stainless steel straps. No more issues. All right, so those are 5 basic things that you can do to heat shield your car to keep it from burning down. No, but seriously, those are 5 real easy things that you can do to keep your car on the road and safe. This was Chris from Heatshield Products.
And Shane.
And if you like this video, make sure you stick around for the next one. This is like my face is all fat right here.
Who cares?
Are you sure?
It doesn't look that bad.
All right.
Your cackle's as bad as my neighbor next door. Hey, I'm on vacation.
Hey, yeah.